Alright folks, so I have a just review to do. I came to pick it up the kid. It's hot as hell in London. Let me see how much is it today. 31 degrees right now. Yes, there's a bicycle in the back. I tried to sell it, but that's fine. That happens a lot. Try turning off the proof phone performance. Try turning off, but I'm using the camera. Stupid Android. Cadisen. Why did I buy this thing? I saw a video from Easy, and when I saw the watch, his review, I said I need to buy this thing. Why? Budget friendly, well made, and in the one that I chose, a completely showstopper. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, right, so I'll put some photos, whatever I do, I don't know, whatever, I don't care anymore, nobody watches shit. So what I think about this thing, the dial is beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful, without any doubt. It's really beautiful. Yes, it's a Spinnaker copy, not copy, it's a Spinnaker homage, that's how they say. Yeah, I need more air. Sorry, it's gonna have some noise. So the dial is absolutely beautiful. I don't care about the Spinnaker, if it's homage, if it's not. Nowadays 90%, I think, if I'm not wrong, the last time I checked, I think was that 85-90% of watches are a homage of something, a copy of something. So shut the fuck up. Anyway, beautiful dial, extremely beautiful. Automatic, obviously. Remember, I'm about to sell all my quartz. I don't have patience anymore to change batteries. I'm getting too old for that. What else? Where was I? God. Yeah, automatic, 100 meters water resistance. It is not for you to dive. Don't dive with this thing. I don't think if you try to dive, this is gonna hold the pressure. To be completely fair with you. But anyway, you can try. Bits of rice bracelet, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This one doesn't have showcase in the back, showcase back, but that's fine. Right, with model, just model C-8244G, something like that. All stainless steel. The case, it's beautiful, well made. It's brushed, so it gives it a, let's say, a touch to it. Today I'm wearing this. I think if you follow me, you saw the bloody shorts, so go watch it. Yeah, I made this strap, made by Alex. If I put it on, I wore it for a week. Sometimes I remember to remove to sleep, sometimes I didn't. I did shower, so it hold. Steam, it hold. Showering, I didn't put it underwater, but did I? No, I don't think I did on this one. I don't think I did. So yeah, and you can't feel it. It's comfortable, it's extremely comfortable, it sits really well. This bracelet is amazing, it's absolutely amazing. I love this thing. I didn't think I would like it because it's slightly wobbly, a little bit more than I like it, but when it sits on the wrist it's perfect. Okay, I need to fuck off, I'm not moving. So what else did you have on this? Date, that's it, nothing else. There's a date, that's it. So it's a scroll down crown, quick adjust date. I forgot the name of the fucking thing, I don't care anymore. So yeah, if you put on your wrist, it is absolutely gorgeous to look at. Close it. Gorgeous to look at. It's comfortable. You can wear it. You don't feel that you're wearing. It has the right wave to it. It's balanced. Price wise, I paid $65. My friend just bought it. Bear. I'm gonna put his hover bear in there somewhere because he bought one. 70. I think he paid 72, 75. But that's okay. I know AliExpress watches are starting to sell for more nowadays. They are putting the price up. Still worth it though. If I wanted to buy a Spinnaker like this, new one would cost me 350, 400 pounds if I'm not wrong. I think, to be fair, case is 42, 47 leg to leg. Who's this watch for? Anyone, to be fair. Of course, the snobs are not gonna buy it. It's too cheap for them. But quality-wise and movement inside, a Miyota workhorse inside, mate, it's the same level as a Seiko that you're gonna pay around 300, 400 pounds. Do you want more for 65 pounds? Call attention for anyone that you want, so you can flex it. You can, because it's attention seeker, this watch. It works really well. Cheap as it's a no-brainer. I met Bear and we went to the pub and we talked a little bit about watches. We showed each other some watches, and what we spent in the pub on that day, we could have bought a watch like this and you still have some pennies. We spent more in the pub for 2 hours that we sat on that thing than this watch. So come on, mate. Look, people can say whatever they want. My take nowadays is, looks good, works really well, it's cheap. So yes, this watch for anyone that put this thing on the wrist, you're gonna like it. If you like watches, you're gonna like this thing. Why? This watch doesn't appear to cost only 65 pounds. It's way too nice. So yeah, for anyone. But, oh, fine, one thing. The only problem that I've seen with this is the clasp. The clasp, look at this. My clasp has 3 micro adjustments. Bear showed me his on his watch. For some reason, it's the same exact model. Has only 2 micro adjustments. I don't know, I don't understand, I don't really care. But anyway, you can buy a different clasp, you can buy a better clasp and upgrade. It's simple like that. In my case, I just sat on my wrist perfectly fine, so I don't mind that. And I have way too many watches to worry about the blood bracelet. Nah. But if you do wear this thing every day and for some reason do not sit right on your wrist, if you can't use the micro adjustments to sit it right, if something not right for you, you can upgrade. You can buy just a clasp and change it. It's simple like that. So for today, if you didn't see, I'm wearing my Teorema São Paulo. Yep, I made this strap because the bracelet that come with it, because I buy used shit, didn't fit on my wrist, and the person that sold it to me lost the bloody links. So again, I'm waiting for my kid, he's a 15 years old, but it's hot as hell, and I was close by. I said, let me pick it up. Right. So if you want it, buy. You're not gonna regret. If you want a Cadisen G model, at least you're not gonna regret. The watch is good, very well made. I wore it for a week, not a problem at all. I think it might have around 40 hours power reserve, something like that. Didn't lose time, at least for the week that I'm wearing, that I wore. What else? Yeah, it did change the date perfectly fine. So yeah, if you want a cheap watch, daily beater, it shouldn't be a daily beater, this watch, but for £65, mate, buy it. It's cheap. Really well looking, well made watch. It's worth it. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I filmed it wrong. Alright, anyway, I'll see if I can adjust the shit that I've done. I just realized I put my camera and shot the video with the phone in the wrong position. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching. See you. Do you see? I'm a fucking idiot. Bye.